Question number 16. An object of height 5 cm is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave lens of focal length 10 cm. We have to use lens formula to determine the position, size and nature of the image if the distance of the object from the lens is 20 cm. Now moving towards the solution, it is given that height of the object, which is represented by H naught, which is equal to 5 centimeter, and focal length of the lens is minus 10 centimeter in case of concave lens. So object distance is taken as u equals to minus 20 centimeter. We will use lens formula, which is 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equals to 1 upon f. We will find v value by putting u and f, because u and f is given in question. On putting u as minus 20 and f as minus 10, you will get the value of v minus 6.66 centimeter, which is negative value. Negative value shows that the image is formed on the same side of the object. And we can also find magnification. Magnification formula is v upon u, and v is minus 20 upon 3 and u is minus 20, so we get magnification of 1 by 3. And so if we can conclude that magnification is positive, the image formed is virtual and erect. Now we are supposing that hi be the height of the image, and m equals to v by u. Also we can take it as hi, height of image, divided by height of object. And magnification we have calculated 1 by 3 equals to hi we have to find divided by 5, height of object, and hi we got 1.66 centimeter, since the image formed is smaller than the object. So the image formed is smaller than. Thanks.